Hi everyone, thanks for coming onto my channel today. Today we're gonna review or take a look at Simply Gilded's January box. She titled it Growth. Let's dive right in. So first, check out the box. This is so pretty, and my favorite plant is the one in the back because it's hanging. It's rose gold, and let's open it up. Okay, so let's start off with the journaling card. That's the first on the list, so let's get that ready. Excuse me, I just had some juice, and sometimes since it's cold, it makes me want to clear my throat. This is really cute. Now, for some reason, I remember her journaling cards being a little bit bigger, or I think that's just me. Let's see. I think it's just me. But this is so cute. I wish they were bigger. That way I can put it in my personal wide or in my B6 as a dashboard. But I guess I can put it against something else in the back, like maybe a green craft paper, and, you know, laminate it. So that's the journaling card. And then the next is the washi tapes, which are in this beautiful bag here. It's cute how she has the bags that match the boxes now. But whoa, I know that was like a total extra cost, you know, to her box. But they're so cute. You could probably use it for a shaker like she did in one of her boxes. Or, let me see here, I can put it on top and use it as a dashboard / pencil holder. Right? Put it in my, if it's the right size. If not, I'll have to cut it from the bottom. Put holes in it, and then it can hold pencils. And I can either put this on top of it or just leave it as is. That's a good idea. Anyway, that's the bag. And here are the washi tapes. Let's see if I can hold them in my hand. Here you go. Tell me you're not in love. Look at those colors. Beautiful, huh? So this is the add-on that I purchased separately. I like using the thin washi tapes. And it already comes with one. I'm sure this is perforated. It's like a mint grayish green, purple and green with like the mint green in the middle. This one is like a color block, or what do they call it? It just looks like art to me. What is it called? Contemporary art? I'm not sure. The plants, which I love plants. I'm a plant lady. I talk to my plants. I make sure they get spoiled because, you know, I buy them their little plant food. Okay, and the next one is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. So let's open these stickers up. And I hope that the lights in the camera is not giving off too much of a glare. Here are the seals, the bows. I would have loved if we had more of these. That's beautiful. here's the other. Beautiful. We have the today, remember, important, to do, to buy, to pay. Here's the others. We have green days of the week, the little color block or whatever it's called, with the foiling of rose gold. And the plants, the leaves have different colors. Okay. And we have the functional icons, numbers for the month. I really use these a lot. Do we get those in every package? I haven't paid attention. And the half boxes. Okay. The next on the list is the vegan album. The vegan leather album. And I love the pink. It's like a Barbie pink, a Pepto-Bismol pink. It's a girl's pink. It's beautiful. Let's open it up, and it has the rose gold hardware. You guys can see that. I like to keep mine on. Let's try to put it on back nicely. Let's see, it's not working. All right. And the inside is green, like a minty green. I saw someone turn, if you heard my dog sneeze, that's my pug. She sneezed, being nosy. She wants to be on YouTube. I saw someone turn their sticker album into a pocket rings. They just added rings here. So I think they did it this way, and they just added rings here. I'm going to have to look that up and share that with you guys down below. So that's the regular one. Let's see the back. The back, simply gilded. Okay. And the next is the B6 Stosh stitched notebook. I'm sure it looks like it's dotted. I'm not going to open it, because I don't use these as regularly as I would like to, and I don't want them to get, you know, uncrisp. They say crisp with the packaging. But we have the 2 leaves with the simply gilded bow. The back says glow up. Nice, like a hunter green. Okay. The next is the gel ink pen. Now this is a beauty. Don't you wish we can have nail polish in an ombre like this? This is so beautiful. Black gel ink, protective little dot on the tip there. I usually tighten mine up because it comes loose. You know, because you can twist it off and twist it on. So I like to twist it because sometimes it's loose, and when I get to writing with it, I'm wondering what's going on. Put that back in the package. The next is the charm, the keychain. Let's see here. These keychains are so beautiful. Look at that. And my favorite is the bow. I mean, I love it when she throws the bow in there. I go crazy for that bow. This is so cute. What I did, if I can find it, I'm not sure. The little wallet that we got in one of the books what I did, I clipped it either on the zipper, or I think it has one of these. And when I look for it in my purse, you know, I have a big floppy mommy purse. I look for the keychain, because on my regular keys, I don't keep pretty keychains, you know, they'll get ruined. So with the wallet, I look for the keychain, and then I'll take it out, and then, you know, I'll swipe my debit card and keep it moving. Wouldn't this be beautiful if it was a wallet or a clutch? This is just so cute. I can see myself doing something with this, like converting it into a purse or something. Let's keep that on there. That's really cute. Okay. The next is the Vellum and the Acetate Sheets. I think I'm missing something. I think it's... Oh, it's still in the box. Okay. So, disclaimer, we are going to show the mystery item. I think it's about time, because this box is, this video is going to go up a little late. So, everyone should have their box and know what the mystery item is. So, first we're going to check out these Vellum and the Acetate. Let's put this over here. So let's see, this is the Vellum, very pretty. The bows, the leaves, and it's like a pink, but it can also pass for, let's see, against this white. Yeah, it's like a purple. It can pass for a lilac, lavender, purple. So pretty. You guys see that? The little bows on there. Okay, the next one is the other Vellum, which I think is very nice. So pretty. I really like this color. Oh, my acetate is a little scratched, but it is pretty. I like looking on the inside because it's always a different color. The bows, the foil. You see how you can see the silver from the inside and the rose gold. That's beautiful. Okay. And the next will be the sticky note. Let's see. If you guys hear that clicking, that's my desk. I need to change the little padding that the desk has so it won't make that noise. So these are Vellum sticky notes. In a way, they look like lips also. Like lips, lipstick and liner that a model will have. Isn't that pretty? That's cute. Okay. Excuse me. And then last but not least, we're gonna, excuse my fingernails. I've been using this new dish detergent, and it's been drying out my skin no matter how much I moisturize. So these are the mystery items. So we have what is this? Frame boxes, clear boxes, little bow, medium bow, bows like the what is it called? The seals. Let's take it out the package. Let's see. There it goes. So we have the rose gold, And we have the pink with some, do you guys see that? Hollow graphics, like little stars, like snowflakes. And it comes with the pink. And we have the clear growth stickers that we can use for deco. Those are so pretty. So, I'm thinking about picking my favorite item out of each box. And you guys can tell me what your favorite item out of each box that I put up a video for down in the comments. You can pick your first and your second favorite. But I think my favorite out of this box is going to be the keychain, because I'm just in love with that cute little bow. Look at that. I just love it. The colors in the leaf match anything and everything you pair it with. You could put it on your nice TN, on a ring bound planner, anything. This is just so cute. And my second favorite, let's see, what will be my second favorite? I think my second favorite is the pen. The ombre is just so beautiful. From pink to green. I mean, how did we get there? Okay. Obviously, we got there, and it's stunning. It's beautiful. It is elegant. It is very cute, beautiful, gorgeous. What other words can I come up with, ladies and gentlemen? Very nice. So that's it for the box of January. Thank you for joining me. Make sure and click the like button, hit subscribe if you want to see more, and hit the notification bell, because I'm not on schedule. I post when I want to. Just for now. I need to get back on my schedule. It's gonna take me a minute, but again, hit that like button and see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.